Welcome to Kids and the Future, your go-to podcast for parenting insights and practical tips.
Join us in shaping a brighter future for our kids. Subscribe now and be part of the conversation. Hey there, parents. It's Sarah, your friendly host, and today we are taking a fun ride into the world of coding with Python for kids. So, your little one is curious about coding. That's awesome. Let me introduce you to Python, the superhero of programming languages for kids. Picture Python as that cool friend your kid can easily hang out with. It's not your typical language, it's simple, text-based, and even offers visual, block-based coding for those imaginative minds. It's like a playground where ideas come to life, making coding feel like playtime. Now, I know techy stuff can seem daunting, but fear not. Setting up Python is as easy as making a sandwich. 3 simple steps, and it's ready to go on Windows. And guess what? It plays nicely with other operating systems too, ensuring a smooth coding adventure for your kiddo. Python isn't just a one-trick pony, it's the all-rounder of the coding world. From crafting mobile apps to diving into data analysis and automation, Python opens doors to endless possibilities. Kids can let their creativity loose on real-world projects, like creating their own mobile and web applications. In a world where coding is like having a superpower, Python is the cape your kid needs. The demand for young coders is soaring, and learning Python now sets the stage for future opportunities. More and more jobs are seeking those who can create innovative applications. It's not just coding, it's future-proofing your kid's skill set. Remember the days when you loved experimenting as a kid? Python gets it. It's not just about following rules, it's about bringing ideas to life. Python is the canvas where your child's creativity can run wild. It's not just coding, it's unlocking the natural problem solver in them. Ready to dive into the world of coding fun with Python? It's not just learning, it's an adventure waiting to happen. Encourage your kiddo to explore the language that sparks creativity, problem solving, and a lifelong love for coding. Thanks for joining me today on our podcast. I'm Sarah, your host. Until next time, happy coding adventures with Python. Thank you for joining us on Kids and the Future. Your dedication to shaping a brighter tomorrow for our kids means the world to us.
Until next time, thank you and goodbye.